right here? Yeah. I tried to, I was taking the rail out of the back of the car, I put it back and it's went on my arm. That's my wrist.
Dude. Whenever I start videotaping, I can't land none. Who's emo? I just got me on video of landing a varial. So I'll be able to show you tomorrow. Oh, dude. I just landed 2 varials in a row. Oh! Bolted. I just stuck 3 varials in a row and they're all on videotape. Dude, I just landed 3 varials. I stuck them. Wait, no. I landed 3, stuck the first and the third one, and I got it on video. Oh my god, dude, I keep bolting them. Brandon. I bolted 4 varials in a row. I'll show you tomorrow. Yes, I have it on video. Oh my god, dude. My video camera's pointing straight at me. Another one? What? If my... Oh, wait.